I call to you, my righteous God. Give me relief from my distress, have mercy on me, and hear my prayer. How long will you people turn my glory into shame? How long will you love delusions and seek false gods? Know that the Lord is set apart, His faithful servant for Himself. The Lord hears when I call to Him. Tremble and do not sin. When you are on your bed, search your hearts and be silent. Offer the sacrifices of the righteous and trust in